So what are the opportunities in the export-import business you can get, and yes, you can achieve your fortune or destiny or destination. So there are a lot of scope in this business, and that is why many people want to start their export-import business. So what are the opportunities available in this business? If you learn thoroughly about this business, A to Z clarity about the import-export business, then yes, you can start your own business, and that is in the too low investment. Because we have seen in the finance section too, or we have seen the scope sector too, that there is a very small fund needed to start this business, and yes, you can become your own boss by starting your own journey. In the second way, if you are having the subject expertise, like if you are having the subject expertise of documentation, you are expert in the international marketing, then you can start your consultancy business by providing that particular subject consultancy. Like if you take my example, I have started my journey as an exporter, so I am enjoying that sector too. I have started my journey as a consultant, so I am enjoying the consultancy option too. So I am consultant for the many of the businesses, and I am giving the consultancy as per the customization. So if anyone needs like only documentation consultancy, I am providing that too. If anyone wants for the market analysis consultancy, I am providing that also. So there are a lot of varieties of options available in the consultancy. So expertise matters, speciality matters a lot, and that is why people are paying you for that subject, your speciality, and yes, your core strength in that subject. So you can become consultant in this sector also. In other case, if you don't want to become a consultant, but still you want to start your export-import business, or you want to be a part of this business, then yes, you can become a sourcing agent also. If you have in your surrounding a lot of sources that can be exported in other country, yes, you can start your sourcing agent business also. And nowadays in India, many people are enjoying this type of business, because in this business there are no or less investment, and yes, there are no or less risk in this part, because you are a mediator between supplier and the exporter, and you can enjoy this part as well. Also, there are one of the part you can play a role in this export business, that is as a commission agent. If you want to become a commission agent, you need to have a subject expertise about the export-import business, product knowledge, and yes, buyer and seller, terms and conditions, what it can be done, how it can be done. Little bit networking skill, communication skill, and yes, you can enjoy commission agent business also. And the commission agents are also getting the good amount of margin, good amount of commission in this business. So enjoy the opportunities given by the export-import business, and yes, I will always say that just start. Start with any small amount of action, start with any role plays in this business, but start your export journey, because ultimately you want to enjoy your fortune, your destiny, that you are exporter and you are expanding your business in the worldwide. But for that purpose, if whatever the resources you have, whatever the money you have, whatever the skills you have, start with that. Start with small, but just start. And also you are doing the job, then yes, you can get the extra knowledge about this sector, and you can perform very well, or you can take more responsibilities that will lead to the good hike, and yes, good promotion too. So these are the multiple opportunities available in the export-import business. If you know about this business, get the clarity, and yes, you will start your journey. Take action, enjoy the benefits, enjoy the opportunities, and yes, opportunities will come to those who know how to see the opportunity and how to grab the opportunities. Take action.